Welcome. This video will guide you through checking the engine oil level in your Nissan Murano II from 2008 to 2015. Regularly checking your oil is crucial to prevent engine damage. We'll show you the dipstick location and the proper procedure. The oil dipstick is typically located on the passenger side of the engine bay, near the firewall. Look for a yellow or orange plastic loop about 6 to 8 inches long, marked engine oil or with a similar icon. Open the hood and look towards the engine's right side when facing the front. Park your Murano on a level surface. Turn off the engine. Wait 5 to 10 minutes to allow the oil to drain back into the oil pan, also known as the sump. This ensures an accurate reading. Wear gloves to avoid burns from a hot engine. Remove the dipstick completely from its tube. Wipe the dipstick clean using a lint-free rag to remove any oil residue. Then, reinsert the dipstick fully into its tube, making sure it seats properly to get an accurate reading. Pull the dipstick out again and observe the oil level. It should be between the low and full marks, typically indicated by 2 to 3 inches of oil film on the dipstick. If the oil level is below the low mark, you need to add oil immediately to prevent engine damage from insufficient lubrication. If the oil level is above the full mark, it could indicate overfilling or contamination. Stop driving and have a mechanic inspect the vehicle. If you notice milky or brown oil on the dipstick, it indicates coolant contamination. Contact a mechanic right away to avoid serious engine problems. Nissan recommends using 5-30 synthetic oil for the Murano II's 3.5-liter V6 engine. The oil capacity is approximately 4.9 quarts or 4.6 liters. Change the oil every 5,000 miles or 6 months, whichever comes first. This regular maintenance helps prevent sludge buildup in the engine. Low oil levels can quickly cause severe engine damage. Regularly check your oil level to prevent costly repairs. Be aware of potential oil leaks, especially from the valve cover gasket. This is a known issue in these models. Check for recalls. Consider using an OBD2 scanner for real-time oil level monitoring as a modern upgrade.